So what we've done also on this project, we've talked to someone who's going to do funding. So beneficiaries for this project are going to have an option to go to that person who wants to do funding for them. So instead of trying to start saving for 5 years to build your house, there's an option to go to the person that's going to fund you, give you the mortgage you pay, whether you're paying over 20 years or 25 years. So this is a medium density.
Okay.
So you're allowed to drill a borehole, you're allowed to do a multi-story.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here in Valindre Township. So I've got the guys from Enoch Construction. Remember, we did a video in Mahachula East and many people were really interested in the Mahachula East project. But guys, I'm here to tell you that this project that we are here to see, it's going to be bigger and it's going to be better. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let me introduce someone from Enoch Construction who is going to introduce yourself so that you know this community better, what they are promising us. If you're someone who has got the money and interested in buying this in this community, then just know that you are covered. So let's get started. Welcome to the channel, my sister.
Hi, hello viewers. My name is Bonakaliso Mlodwa. I'm head of sales and marketing at Enoch Construction. Today we are at Valindre. This is our second project. The first one was Mahachula East, as she has alluded. So this is our second project. It's 12 kilometers from Bulawayo CBD along Blumpton Road, just behind the Insuka Minizesa substation.
Wow.
So we are grateful that today we've got visitors who would like to show you and just tell you more about the Valindre project. So Valindre project is a project between Ministry of Public Works and Enoch Construction. So we are the developer doing this project. We've got 1,560 stands. These are residential stands. We've got commercial stands as well. So there's two sections here where we are. This is the medium density,
okay.
And then the other side of the road is our high density. Okay. So the medium density has got around 100 stands on phase one, and we've got around 303 stands on phase one on the medium density. On the high density, medium density starts from 570 square meters going up to 1.4, and then that side we've got from 200 square meters up to 450 square meters. So what we've done so far is we've done the roads, as you can see. We've done the roads 80%. We're putting tarred roads. We're not putting your the dust roads. We're putting tarred roads. We're putting electricity. As you can see, we've already started with electricity. We are putting sewer. We're putting water. As you can see, there's sewer manholes over there. Yes, and then we're also putting water. On phase one, we've done sewer and water 100%. The reticulation is done 100%. Electricity, we've just started, but I think a month from now, we should be done. This stands should be ready latest August. So yes, from what you can see, the only thing that is left is to do the drains, the drainage. And we're also putting the famous solar-powered motion sensing street lighting that we put in Mahachula. We're also putting the same thing this side. So this is what we're doing as Enoch Construction. We're trying to change the game. We're trying to do the best that we can do for our people. So yeah. This is what the project is all about.
Wow. Okay. Thank you so much. That was a great introduction, I can say.
Yes.
Okay. So you have mentioned that you are developing this in phases, right?
Yes.
And you said it's phase one, which is going to be ready in August.
So we've got 3 phases in total. So phase 1 and phase 2, they both have a medium density and high density. And then we've got phase 3. Phase 3 is just a high density. So yeah, we are anticipating that August we should be done with phase 1 and then going on phase 2, phase 3.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So we've got quite a lot of states because 1,560 is a lot. Remember, in Mahachula, we had 650.
650
So
only?
yes.
Okay.
So this project is double the size of Mahachula.
Okay.
So yeah, we've got land. So
So for those who have been interested in the Mahachula East, so you have to know that Valindre community is there for you guys. You have to come here. For those who have been interested in East, maybe you can just tell them something that may help them to feel to feel more interested, because I think people, they are just believing Mahachula East is the best when it comes to development in Bulawayo.
Yeah, it was the best when we had done Mahachula. I don't want to lie, that was a good project. But it was remember, it was our first project in land development. Yeah, it was our first project. We're still learning. In Valindre, we're no longer learning. We know what we're doing.
Wow.
So the craftsmanship that is in this project is different from Mahachula, obviously. So you will see that we've improved quite a lot from the work that we did in Mahachula. So the reason why someone should come to Valindre, remember, we're using Plumtree Road. So Plumtree Road is a highway. It's highway, you're going highway all the way, and then from the main road you've got less than a kilometer to come to this establishment. So I think it's in terms of accessibility, it's good. Remember, we also have electricity. We are
doing electricity for the community.
We've already started.
Wow.
Yes.
Can you see that, guys?
Yes. We've already started putting the lines. So there's electricity, and then there's also the views. As you can see, it's overlooking the Zesa substation.
Wow.
So let me tell a fun fact about this Zesa substation. At night, I'll send you a video.
Please do.
When it's dark, this Zesa substation looks nice because there's lights, there's lighting that comes from beneath.
Really?
Yes, illuminating the whole Zesa substation.
Wow.
So you've got the views. On the other side, Gulama China as well. At night, that maroon thingy.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
At night, there's lights. This place it's beautiful. So please come to Valindre. And even the type of soil, it's good soil. You don't have to dig very deep. You don't have to do
special foundations.
No special foundation. No, you don't have to do all of that. So you just come, you build, and that's it. So what we've done also on this project, we've talked to someone who's going to do funding. So beneficiaries for this project are going to have an option to go to that person who wants to do funding for them. So instead of trying to start saving for 5 years to build your house, there's an option to go to the person that's going to fund you, give you the mortgage you pay, whether you're paying over 20 years or 25 years. But yeah, that is what we've done.
So it's only mortgage for building? For
building, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Of course, you can go to the bank and apply for a bank loan for buying the stand. But the facility that we have, it's for building. Okay. Because we also want this place to develop as fast as possible. So yeah, we've got that option as well.
So in short, you're saying this funding or this partnership is only for you, the Enoch construction guys?
No. It's for the beneficiaries of this project.
Yes. Or coming through you.
Yes, we're just facilitating the relationship. Wow. But it's for other beneficiaries, and then the person that's going to do the funding, they will just connect them to that organization.
Okay, let's talk about the money. We can't run away from that.
We can't run away from that. I was just trying to show people the value that this place has. So in terms of money, on the medium density side, it's $30 per square meter.
$30?
For the stands. And trust me, you can go around, ask around. I don't think there's anyone who's selling medium density for $30 per square meter.
I'm actually shocked because now I'm used to $100 per square meter.
And so forth. Yeah. Yes. So we want people to come in and buy. So inquire with us on our WhatsApp line. It's 0785 464 553. So $30 per square meter, you have all of this.
Wow.
Yes.
And do you also have terms?
Yes. You can do a 50% deposit and then 12 months to pay balance.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I think that's doable.
We have terms. So with this project, we're trying to be as flexible as possible. That's why we've even looked for someone to come and, fund the building for our clients.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, just to help the
Yes,
people. Yeah,
yes.
that's really amazing.
Yeah.
So I just want to understand something. Are there any other projects that you are going to do around Bulawayo, or
Yes,
maybe
we have quite a number of projects that we're doing. We
like
have,
right now?
yes,
Okay.
currently. We have launched a new site. It's called the Madlunga Estate. I hope to take you there
Yeah,
one of these
I want
days.
to go.
It's in Kulumane. It's a high density area. We're also doing development there. We're doing the same thing: your sewer, your road, your water, your tarred roads, your electricity, solar power, street lighting, the works. That is our signature. And then we've got two projects that we're doing. We're doing the Plumtree Maitengwe Road, the 10-kilometer road, the highway. We're also doing the Plumtree Cholocho highway as well. So we have quite a number of projects that we're working on, and as a company, we're still growing. We're looking into expanding and going to other cities as well. So if you have got land, if you've got work that you think we can do, please feel free to contact us, and then we can see how we can collaborate.
Wow. So besides the views and everything else that you have mentioned, what are the amenities that you are going to have in this community?
Oh, okay. I almost forgot. Remember, I said there's residential stands
Yes.
and commercial stands. So this is a good one. So we've got stands for parks. So
Serious?
yes, we have a park down there. We've got stands for flats. So we're going to have flats. I like to call them apartments.
Oh, it's no longer flat.
Yeah, I like to call them apartments. We have a mall. We have a stand for a mall. We have schools. We have industries. I think we've got almost everything. Yeah, I think we've got almost everything, because the mall will then accommodate your salons, your shops, your food courts and whatnot. So yeah, we've got quite a lot.
There's something that I also want to understand. Will it be a gated, or it's just
No, this is just, it's open.
It's open.
It's not gated.
okay?
Yet.
Oh,
not
in other
gated.
words, we are going to look
It
into
might
that.
be, it might be, but currently we're just selling it as is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I was saying, so this is our drainage system. So now they are just doing they are trenching for the drains.
Okay.
So we're going to do the same thing that we did in Mahashula. So on the other side is going to be a trench, on the other side is going to be a V-drain.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, for the drainage system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. So people here, they are ever busy.
We don't rest on the site. So as you can see, you can see the hard soil is closed. So you don't have to do any reinforcements or anything like that, because the soil type is very good.
Yeah, because I think it's one thing people are most afraid
The
of.
reinforcements are very expensive. So at least they can see, no, you don't need to do reinforcements.
Okay.
Yes.
Then there's something that I want to know. Are we allowed to build mansions?
Yes, you are allowed. So this is a medium density.
Okay.
So you're allowed to drill a borehole. You're allowed to do a multi-story.
Wow.
Yes.
So in like multi-story, you mean like 3 stories going up?
Yes, you can go up.
Serious?
Maria Cochet.
Yeah, guys. So I think this one is also good for those who want to build for investments, right?
Yes, it's very good. So I wanted to show you the views, because I think when we were there, it wasn't as clear. But if you're this side, since you want to do your double story, imagine your double story overlooking that side. It's going to look nice.
Okay. Lovely. Guys, if anyone who wants to build, please come to Valindre Township.
Yeah.
They are promising bigger and better things this side. So this is their site office. Thank you so much for all that information, and I believe those people who Mahashula East.
Yeah, we have another Mahashula East.
But you said it's going to be bigger.
Yes.
and better.
Yeah.
And we have seen it's bigger in terms of number of stands.
Yes.
And I believe when everything is complete, everything is done, it's also going to be better in terms of service delivery.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And we hope to see you also developing in some other parts of Harare.
Yes, we are very keen on expanding, I think, nationwide.
Okay.
Yeah, the sky is the limit. I think with what we've done in Mahachila, most people were like, when are you coming to Harare? When are you coming to Kwekwe? And whatnot. Guys, we're here. We want to partner with you guys in all of those projects. So, yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe for those who might not have taken down your number, maybe you can just call it out again.
Yes. So our number is 0785 464 553. 0785 464 553. Please be patient when you call that line, because sometimes it's a bit swam. Someone might be calling. Please don't give up. Just call. If you can't get through, just send a message. We'll definitely attend to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Really appreciate.